is Cindy Grozier, and I've been coming to the Glen Dental for about 2 years now. Before I got my implants, I had large gaps in my 2 front teeth. I had many teeth in the back here that were missing. I didn't really feel good about smiling. I was very self-conscious. Before I came to the Glen Dental, I had finally gone to another dentist because I was just in pain and I knew that my dental care was poor. I had a huge fear of the dentist. I just finally got to the point where it was just too uncomfortable. I was too self-conscious. I felt like I was really missing a lot of happy times in my life. And so when that dentist referred me to Dr. Bhullar, I kind of had to calm myself down and reassure myself that I wanted to smile again. And so I came to Dr. Bhullar's office, met with him, and he restored in me a trust that was just amazing. I knew he wasn't going to do something just to make money off of me. When it came time to do the implants, I had complete faith in him, and I had honestly no fear, which was a complete 180 for me. Since I've gotten my new smile, I have kind of reclaimed my life. I went from being very reclusive to I am now the PTA president at my kids' school, and they're so proud of that. I get comments on my smile frequently. My confidence has been restored, my smile has been restored, and the joy that I feel inside, I actually am confident exhibiting when I walk out in the real world, if you will. But amongst other people, I can smile freely and spread the joy that I feel inside.